What's going on, guys? What's it? We're back with you once again, as you've seen on the thumb title and thumb, whatever it's called, the thumbnail. Today we're making bolognese. Now people are going to say, right, there's no celery in there. I don't put celery in mine because I don't really like celery. So as you can see, chopped tomatoes, your mixed herbs, your mushrooms, your garlic, 2 onions, 2 rashers of bacon. My bacon's defrosting at the moment, so this is going to be a process. Then your tomato puree, and of course your big mince. A lot of people use pork and beef. I don't. I just use beef. So I'm going to cut all this up, cut these things up, guys, and then we're going to start frying off the mince and frying off the bacon. So first step, guys, is to brine your bacon and your beef. So as you can see, I'm doing the beef first. This is literally one of them steak mince ones you get from, you know, your normal shop in a bag. I would suggest to do one from your butcher's. I'm just doing this because this is literally a last minute thing, and this is a bonus video. So, you know, I don't do many of these cooking videos very often, so I thought it's something to do. I'm doing mine in a slow cook. I don't think I reiterated that in the first part of the video. But yeah, I am doing this in my slow cooker. So basically all you really need to do is cut everything up and then chuck them into the, you know, the slow cooker. But at the moment I got electric, guys, so bear with me. But yeah, just brine your mince off and brine your bacon off. I'll come back when they're both brined off and we'll chuck them in to the slow cooker. So mince is brined now, guys. As you can see, you've got your thing coming out. So once your mince is brined, like I said before, I was going to use bacon, but I just remembered my bacon's not defrosted. Nice one. Suppose I could have put it in the in the microwave, but I'm not doing that. So that's the mince in there. So I'll show you what the next job is now. So as you can see, guys, with my burner still on, there's carrots, there's mushrooms, there's garlic, onions, everything that you want in there just literally goes in to your slow cooker. My onions are a bit chopped a bit too much, but I think it'll be alright. I said the pot does look really full, but like I said, once it starts cooking, we will get there. So as you can see, guys, I put my tomatoes in as well. So this is just going to cook now in this slow cooker for about 6 to 8 hours, depending on if you put it on high, put it on low. I'm going to put mine on high, so it'll be about 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours. So we will come back with not quite the finished product, but an hour before we come next. So I will come back when I stir it in about 2 hours. We'll see what it's getting on there, but it normally does take about 4 hours on high. So see you in a bizzle. So this, guys, is my finished bolognese. Some people might think it's a bit chunky, but that's how I like it. So it was 6 hours in the old slow cooker. Took it out then, put some pasta together, and there's your boy. So hopefully you like the look of this, guys. Let's have a little taste test. Right, so I have some on that less spoon. I'll probably have some cheese in a minute, but here it is. Slow cooker bolognese. So tender. What do you want from a bolognese? Right. If you don't cook slow cooker bolognese, I'd probably done better, but enjoyed it. If you like the video, please do. Give us a subscribe. Until next time, guys, tell you another food review. See you when I see you.